I got 212s. They're the MTX Terminators. They're like, I think 400 RMS, 1200 max. Powered by like a 500 watt amp. Same amp was on my last video. Good subs. Alright, I'm gonna play this song right there. You see it? I hope. Alright. Oh, not that song. That song. Alright, now we're gonna walk out. Let's see what it does up here. You know, might have to choose a different song to make it flex the roof, but you know, maybe not. Flex is pretty good, right? I need to get like a deeper bass song. All right, let me go find another song.
Going on that sign and she on a powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got solid. Money got longest. They tell the music gonna for me curve. Get a ticket, pay the shit.
Let me go check out.
Awesome Burger County. Like that shit.
It's way deeper.
I spend nothing on fidget, and my chips got riches. Speeding the bridges.
I don't know, it doesn't seem to be doing as much as it was in the Uzi song, but you know. That's the windows roll up, everything closed. I got some Rockford Fells gates in here. Actually, every one of them. What's that?
Shout out my niggas. Can you know that be my slime? Shout out my niggas. That nigga, that be my slime. That nigga, that be my slime. Naruto 19, I feel like a Gucci athlete.
Yeah, ignore that bike over there, don't worry. But you know, it's a good sub. Like $130, they're worth it. Every penny. But yeah, that's it.